Assalamu alaikum. Men Tursunay Ziyawudun. Men bir Xitoy jazo lagerining tirik shohidi bo'laman. Men vatanimiz Sharq Turkistonning Ulji shahri Kunas noyasida.
Salam everyone, my name is Tursunay Ziyawudun. I am a camp survivor from the China's concentration camps, and I am from Kunas region of G'olja city of East Turkestan.
Men Xitoyning jazo lagerida 1 yil yotdim. Birinchi 2 qitim kirdim. Birinchi qitim 1,5 ay, ikkinchi qitim 10 ay. Jami 1 yil.
In total, I stayed in the concentration camps for a year. First time it was a month and a half, and second one was 10 and a half months. So 1 year, I spent 1 year of my life in concentration camps.
Mening yo'ldoshim Qozog'istonda turdi. Shu men yo'ldoshim bilan birga Qozog'istonga chiqqanligim uchun 2011 Qozog'istonga chiqib 5 yil turdim. 2017 men qaytib borgandan keyin tutildim. Shu chaqda men vatanda nima ish bo'layotganini bilmaydim. Men berib bilan saqchilar tomonidan tekshirildim.
Because my husband was Kazakh citizen, I went to Kazakhstan and stayed there 5 years. And then when I came back to my homeland to visit, I didn't know what was going on. That was 2017, and I was arrested.
2017 4 ayda birinchi qitim tutilgan vaqtimda men mingdak odam bilan birga qamaldim. 1,5 ay ichida u yerda bizni har xil Xitoylar majbur biz yemaydigan musulmonlar yemaydigan yemekliklar, masalan cho'chqa go'shti. U yerda o'z Xitoydan oshpazlarni kelib tamoq yetkazdi, aroqlarni ichishga majburlab, men oshqozon yalloq bo'lib, amalsiz doktorxonaga chiqardi meni. Doktorxonada yetib davolanishimiz bilan 2018gacha sirtda turdim. 2018 3-oyda yenib saqchi tarafdan chaqirtib yana akirdi meni. Yana burunqi yotgan lagerimga. Kunas noya yengmaldagi lagerda u.
So in my first 1.5 months in the concentration camps was very hard. There were around 1,000 people with me in that camp. The condition was very horrible. For example, the food was cooked by the Chinese cook, so we were given alcohol, we were given like bacon or like pork products, and we were forced to eat those things. Of course, I wasn't used to those foods, and by the time I got sick and my stomach had very severely impacted, and I was hospitalized and I was released. And then I stayed outside, not in the camp, till 2018, and I was taken back again to the concentration camps.
Men ikkinchi qitim meni tutilgancha Allohdan mening akamni kirib ketdi, inimni kirib ketdi. Bütün bizning mahallada, shaharda nurg'un odamlarni tutishga boshlagan. Hatto men turayotgan shaharning ichida faqat odam qolmasga aylandi. Bek kunda odamlarni tutyotdi.
The city I was in is Kunas region. Before I was taken back for the second time, my older brothers and my younger brother, they were also taken to the concentration camps. And so many people from our region were taken that the city was almost like empty.
Oldu'nun içi aynı bir sokaş rayonu aylanıp kalan göz aldım turdu. Hatta adamlar berip Xitoyda Gongchangdaymiz berip aylandıgan yana da hemmisi tanka, bütün saqchi qurolliq ashla turdigan ko'chada xotirjam odam mang'anmaydigan holat kelib ketgan.
City of G'olja is usually very crowded. However, it was like a war-looking ghost city. There were armed police everywhere. There were like tanks, and it turned to something totally different, to very fast.
İkinci qitim tutib apırılganda o lagerning ichi boshqacha o'zgarib ketibdi. Turma rasmi ayni birinchi qitim borgan vaqtida unda emas, u bir kasbiy maktabda bizni apirib qolganda. 2018 3-oyda borgan vaqtimda u rasmiy turmaga aylangan, hamma yer qurolli saqchilar turadi. Bak qo'rqinchli kishi. Bakchiq odamlar kirgan. Mo'lchar bilan 10 mingga yaqin odam bordi. U chaqda uning ichi bir shuchidek bo'lib rasmiy binolar silingan. Kirgandan tortib biz rejim bilan boshqarildik. Rasmiy saqchilar qurolli ib mang'atdi. Endi o men u yerdagi 1 yillik hayotimni bu yerda deb tugatib bo'lmaydi. Bekchiq adam bir oy hayotingizni deyish uchun oson nima emas, uning ichida ko'rganlarimni. Lekin men Qısqacha deb beray.
So the second time when I was taken, and it was much different. The previous one was at least it was like a school-like building, but second time it was like a real prison. There were armed police everywhere, like watchtowers, and it was much big crowd. I think it might be, you know, holding around 10,000 people because there were big buildings, and I witnessed so many horrible stories, but I will just talk about a couple of them now.
Bizni biz birinchi qitim 20 dak adam boy uyga 4 metrlik uyga qamadi. Uni nurg'un ayollar batdi. Ular bilan birga turdik. Darsga birga chiqatdik. Bir Xitoycha dars o'tish uchun 2 oydan keyin uni boshladi. Dastlabda biz kirgan vaqtda undaq dars o'tmadi 2 oydan keyin. İşte o'birni qildigan yami yo'qdi. Bir kichik qizil chelakni qo'yib berib, ashning o'birni qilzatdi. Juyindigan ya yo'q, faqat juyinmaydi. Juyinish degan mumkin emas. 2 oydan oshgandan keyin juyinishlar deb bir suvga majbur ashib. Uning ichida 70 yoshlik mo'maylar batdi. Kichiklar 18 yoshli qizlar hatto. Lekin uni issiq suv emas, mo'maylar ba'zilari qiynalib suvga tushdi. Ashunda nim qilsa, cho'qim tayoq yeydi u yerda. Ig'ir jazoga tortadi. Majbur ashunda.
So when we were taken to the second time, the room was very small. It's like 4 meters square room, and very crowded. So many ladies stayed with us. In that room, we were not allowed to go outside for going to bathroom, restrooms. There were small red bucket in the corner, and that was our restroom, and everything is being watched by everyone. At the beginning, we were learning intense Chinese and other propaganda. The condition was terrible, no hygiene. As I said, we couldn't shower for months. And finally, they allowed us to take a shower, but it was very cold water that there were some old ladies couldn't adjust. And when you reject or say something against to the police, you also get punished.
Bir mo'may ag'rib qoldi, qattiq qizitib, uning qaraydigan odami yo'q, ashta yotadi. Hammamiz shu so'g'aq zay ut Simon bilan nim qilgan bir uyga, ya'ni 2 oyga yo'tkida uyda tug'andim, undan keyin bular rat kuchishadi deb so'roq boshlandi, tanqo deb hammamiz so'roqqa chiqib ketadi. 2 kun 3 kun yo'qolib ketadi, ba'zilari kiradi, ba'zilari kirmay yo'qolib ketadi, ba'zilari o'ylak holatda kiradi, tayoq yeydi, nimalar bo'ladi, qiynaydi u yerda ashta. Hatto o'zim shu so'roq chiqdim.
Our daily life was like that, and if you get sick in there because of that bad condition, you never get treated. You know, some old ladies have their fevers, they get very sick, but they're never given medicines. So it was those kind of, you know, environment. Also, they started to take us time to time for a questioning room and interrogating us, asking lots of questions. Sometimes some ladies, you know, they leave the room for questioning and they never come back. Some comes back and very quiet, don't talk to anyone. Some lose their conscience. It's very hard to continue your life in those camps, in those cells. And one day they also called me.
Xeyr, mo'maylar içim bir yalnız bo'lib ketdi. O'ylasam, biz o'zimizni unutib qolib, ashlar ichimiz selib ketadi. Har bir tayoq yeb, har bir jazoga tortilganda ular bek bichar oldi. Mo'maylarning bichar mo'maylarning beshida chashmi yo'q. Qirg'anda odam qanday bo'lib qoldig'ini shu chaqda his qilsizga bizning Uyg'ur mo'maylar, musulmonlar hech qachon yog'liqni ipaqmag'ashqa ko'mat ekanmiz. Ularning ikki tomonlam chichib qoldi ekan, beshta oppoq chochlari, tishlari tushib ketgan, yilqilar yig'ilganda umcharab ko'z oldimda yurkim degan hozirgacha har bir o'ylasam yurkim serilib ketadi. Uning ichida ashlar qarablam ichimizni qilib ketadi. Har bir yig'lab, ya bir eg'iz Xitoycha gap bilmaydi, Xitoycha gap. Ularning bilmagan Uyg'urcha gap qilsa jazoga tortiladi. Sen gap qilmay gachi bo'lib o'tasan, o'tag'im sen Uyg'urcha gap qilmal deydi. Ular birinchi o'shlik qildig'ini bizning Uyg'urning tili, Uyg'urligimizga o'shlik qiladi. Uningdan qasi bizning dinimizga o'shlik qiladi. Sen yozliqchilikdan faqat uning uchun so'roq savol bizga qo'yiladigan shuti. Yozliqchilikdan namoz o'qidingmi? Sen Uyg'urning sani ko'paytsin ortiq tug'ibsa sen nima ish qilding sen qandaq masalan chet elga chiqqan bizlardan so'raydig'ini sen qandaq tashkilotlarla aloqang bor sen nima ish u yoqqa chiqib qanday musulmon demokratlar bilan munosabating bor andaq mandaq shu shuningdan yeytdiq tayoqni yana
So I was a little younger, I could take it, but there were very old ladies that I cannot unseen those memories from my memory. Those ladies didn't even have, you know, enough hair on their head. They don't even have teeth. They were very old, and because they don't speak Chinese, time to time they speak Uyghur language, and they get punished because of speaking our mother tongue. So basically, speaking your own, you know, language, showing anything related to your religion, anything related to your identity, Uyghur identity, was banned and being punished in there. It's very hard to continue your life in there.
Men so'roqqa chiqib 3 kun ash qo'yilib oxirida Xitoy saqchilar tarafdan tayoq yedim. Men qarshilik qilganim uchun qattiq urvatdi, meni ishimni bilmagan holatda.
One of those days in the interrogation room, I was also questioned. The questions they asked, she said earlier, that, you know, if you went to overseas, who did you meet with? Did you contact any organizations? What did you do? And those kind of questions. Once I was a little against what they said, and I was also bitten and kicked, tortured.
Ondan bular to'xtamay kashlar qizlarni ochiq keladigan ayollarni ashtaq ishlarni chiqardi. U saqchilar boshqacha bir saqchilar keladi. Qora kostyum kiygan, qora ko'zoynak taqib ashtaq odamlar paydo bo'lib o'tirdi. Mangdan bo'ldim, shu keldi. Qanday ismimizni ataydi chiqmashqa amal yo'q chiqadi. Kunda 2 dan 3 dan odamlarni akitadi. Faqat biz tarafdan emas, boshqa tarafdan. Ba'zilar kelib sarang bo'lib qoladi. Ashtaq men bilmayman, nima bo'lganini deydi. Boshda hammamiz hayron qoladi. Qo'rqat atdigan bilan faqatlarni qizlarning sarang bo'lib chiqarib ashtaq o'g'in akitadi saranglar doktorxonsa. Ba'zilar o'lib qopdi, tamog'i beshini suzib aytdi. Ashtaq naslanchiq anglaydi. Bir kuni mening
So besides all this what's going on, at nights they started to take us for questioning, or I don't know what are the reasons. Young girls were taken by the unfamiliar faces. So some Chinese men in black suits, they come and they're not the regular police there, and called some ladies by name and they take them out. Some never comes back. Some comes back as losing their conscious. Some they lose their mind. Some are like very heavy bleeding. So I thought they were being tortured. And one day they also called me and another young lady.
Menim aşı 21 yaşlıq bir qız bilan birga ep chiqdi. O qizning bek chiroyli qizdi. O chochlari misharning qilib biz uni xitoychilab Shinyan deb qo'yatdik. Dumlaqlan bek ko'zlari ko'z oldimda turdi. Pek to'y qilmagan qizdi.
One day the police called me and another Uyghur girl who is only 21 years old, who's unmarried. She was so beautiful. We both were called to the dark room.
Ko'z oldimda Xitoylar o'z ko'zim bilan ko'rdim bosqinchilik qildi. Chiqqandan keyin o'qiz sarang bo'lib qoldi men. Hatto ketkichi bilaman o'qizning, lekin ismini degim yo'q demayman. Vaqti kelsa deyman, men cho'qim Xitoy bilan o'zlashgan chaq deyman o'qizni. Sarang bo'lib qolib qayerda kimlar chiqqandan keyinmi necha qitim yig'lab meni chaqirdi. Aday kelsang yinimga deb. 4-5 yosh Xitoy boshliqlar bir yerda o'tirib aroq ichkizib, "Voy sen nimaga kelding? Buni qutqizalamding sen? Biz akitimiz hozir Benganga" deb aytdi. O'tag'im gap qilmay o'tirdi. Aday men akita deydi. Men u bir qitim qutqizam, ikkinchi qitim qutqizalamdim. Buni hech nima qilmayman. Mana
I witnessed her being raped in front of my eyes. She was screaming and begging. And after that, she was like lost her conscious. She wasn't herself. She cried every day, and it's very hard to handle. Don't want to talk about the details. Even when she was released, multiple times she was called by the Chinese government officials for the alcohol night parties. She had to go, and multiple times she contacted me to help her, but there was nothing I could do.
O'xshashlar men shundoq men shuni uchirdim. Lekin men hayotimni biroq o'lib bo'ldim, eshitdim, kerak emas. Men lagerdan chiqiblam, o'ltirib olaman o'zimni degan. Allah'ın kudreti bilen mening yo'ldoshim Qozog'iston tuğanlık uchun men guvohlik berganim bilmaydim.
I too actually went through the same fate with her. That I was also called at night and went through what she went through.
2018 12 ay bo'lganda meni tuyuqsiz chiqsa sening yo'ldoshing Qozog'istondagi deb başta xabar keldi. Men ishonmayman deb 2 yil uning uchun o'z bilganicha sotlab başta qildi. Bir kun tuyuqsiz başta sotlaymiz deb ham chaqirib ham meni 2 yil masalan ko'z oldimda 36 yoshli bir ayolni 6 bal tug'ib qo'yganlik uchun 6 yil sotlayapti.
So in 2018 I was called for questioning again. Until that I lost my hope of living, she said earlier. I wanted to die. There was no reason to live for me, but I was called one day and questioned.
Mana bunun içinde şundak iş qandaq bir rahimsizlik adam qinaydı. O ayal demeydi, çaşlarını müşahidin kesip itip emmisini aşına açtı. Hatta bir gün doktorlarını başlap gelip bir ayal iğraya qopqaptı, emmisini toxmas operasyası qıpetdi.
There was one lady who stayed there for so long, but she got pregnant in there and she was also punished. And then they also called all the ladies there and sterilized them.
2018 12 ayının 25 günü ben çıkıp koy ütüldüm üyedin. Çıksa da
in 2018, December 25th, 6th, I was released because my husband, who's Kazakhstan citizen, were advocating and trying to get me out and contacted the government officials.
Çıksa diyen günü ben taatqı çoxlayanladım. Yeğenimdeki kızanın emmisi qalğandı üyede. Hatta ulanın iş qaydı emmisi lagerdiler, emmisi aç türümünün içinde. Hatta yoldaşlarımın emmisi aç türümü dedi. Çünkü emmisi bazıları bildi, mening çıktım, bazıları bilmedi. Biz keçi cibar turatdık. Keçi men aç kızanın onu turpay uxlamayman dep boldular. Bari bir er çıkıp ketip men muşlar uxlasın dep. Cibar turpay dedim. Aşınama saqçı kelip menden sorap, sen nima üçün tuğdun bugün uxlamay şunchalar jiq tursa dep. Bir-birisi yardım qilib qo'ymaydi. Faqat kommunist partiya yardım qilishlik, boshqa yardım qilmaydi degan bir ideya ularni açdıq.
On my last night in the camp, some of the girls knew that I was going to go. I was going to leave the camp, so they admired me because it was my last day. Usually we take turns to sleep. A couple people stays awake to look and watch. And that day I wanted to take that responsibility because I was going to be released next day and I could sleep. But even for that I got punished, and the police were asking me, like, why giving your turn to someone else?
Men manqancha uyedi, mening inim, akam tek chiqmagan ulan batdı. Yenimdeki aç qızlarning emmisi qaldı. Men hech qachon xo'sh bo'lolmadim. Uyedi manqanchada hozirgidek esimni turibdi, qayig'ib atgan kunti. Shunda qad aldım, mansam shunda keynim ketime tepişi qilmay saqchilar kiyib olib kiyimim. Chunki uyerdan chiqqan vaqtda kiyim almashtirmiz. Biz oraya kirgandan keyin bütün mahbuslarning kiyimini kiyimiz. Men ko'k kiyimlik teriq kiyim, qizil kiyim 3 kishi bo'limiz, changamban, yangamban, fovanda. Shu chaqda kiyimni shu chiqqan odamni almashtirdi. Mening inim derizdan ko'rib turibdi ekan meni. Qanday ko'rib qolgan. Ada deb baqirgan bir ovozni olib keynim qarsam shunda shaxsda baqirib ketdi. Ularning bilibdi inim, uni chiqib qanday kiyim almashgandan keyin biladi. Agar kiyimni boshqa vaqt almashtirmay chiqib ketish uchun. Benim hem joylarim hemen uyat qilib qilgandeklar bo'ldim. Hech qachon qo'sh bo'lamaysiz uyatdan chiqish uchun. Hammadan qo'yib qolgandikin. Mening qarindoshlarim uyat qolgandikin, adalarimning o'g'illarim qolgandi uning ustida.
Today I was released. I was supposed to be happy that horrible life was gonna end and I was gonna be free. However, I was not. I thought about those girls who cried and who stayed with me in my cell, and my brothers were also in the same camps. And when I was leaving, I remember clearly it was snowing that day. My feet was moving very hardly, and my brother from one of the windows called like sister, and I look back and I felt terrible that I was leaving and he was staying. Not just my brothers, I had my cousins, my relatives in those camps. So I couldn't be happy couldn't share the happy feelings of leaving, knowing that all my brothers and sisters still in the camp stayed behind me.
Şu yolcumun arzusu bilen çıkıp Kazakistan'a çıkkandan keyin pasportunu berdi Xitaylar. Yolcuşun Kazakistan'da bek bizni xatirjam qilmay ketib barib, bütün xalqaro nima qilayotgan degandek munda qilib xatirjam qilmay, shuni qarab shu xalqaro deganni shu chog'da men bu yerga kelib bildim, u chog'da bilmaydim.
I didn't know what was going on when I was in the camp, but my husband was contacting media and giving testimonies about me being in the camp. When Chinese government gave me my passport and I traveled to Kazakhstan, then I learned how I was able to escape.
Men Kazakistan'da 3 aylık vize içip verdi. 3 ayga qaytib kelsa aylanını ko'ribdi. Ha dedim, shundikin bag'am dekin. Men rastla bu yerga kelgan vaqtim bilmaydim, yenib kelma deb bag'an. Lekin bu yerga bag'an qaytib bag'an degan qanday bo'ldig'ini hammani o'zim eslatdim. Kazakistan'a chiqqandan keyin men guvohlik berdim. Shu kundan boshlab xotirjam qilmadi, Xitoy to'xtamay. Hatta Kazakistan'da aş yolcumda turayotgan uyimizga akşam uxlayotgan o't qo'yibdi. Lekin hayot qoldik, o'lmadik. Amerika konsullari kelib ko'rib, hamma aralashib meni qo'ydi. Keyin sog' salomat men Turkiyaga keldim, Turkiyadan Amerikaga keldim. Lekin
I was released under the condition of coming back in 3 months, so I signed papers. And once I came to Kazakhstan, first I was still afraid and scared, and I thought I was gonna go back. But then, by time, I had to speak, I had to share the truth. So I gave some part of my experience as a testimony to some of the reporters. Right after my testimony, I started to getting threatening messages from Chinese police. They even tried to burn my house in Kazakhstan.
Amerikaga sog' salomat keldim, lekin har bir kunimiz bu yerda bizning hozir. Men kelgan vaqtimda qattiq og'rib keldim. Mening butun nimamda xabarimda ko'rsanglar bilsizlar, men miyakka pek cho'ng operatsiya bo'ldim. Yanılmış hozir Zumrat degandek hammamiz u yerdan chiqqanlarning hech qaysi faqat Xitoyning maqsadi shu Uyg'urlarni tug'anmas qilish, mangu balliq bo'lanmas qilish. Ash tayoqlarning zarbasidan men mangu balliq bo'lanmas operatsiyasi bo'lib ketdim. Lekin jinim aman qoldi, bu yerga kelganda men bek ig'ir holatda kelgan shu tayoqning zarbasidan qatta Qozog'istonda mishakkagacha men ashtaq ig'ir og'rib keldim. Allah'a şükür jinim aman qaldı. Lekin men hech qachon jinim aman qolgani uchun yana boshqa narsa uchun manda yomon balliq bo'laman deb o'kinib baqmadim. Men butun hayotimni ashak o'lib ketib qolgan qarindoshlarimga atib etdim. Ashlarni qutqizish uchun deb. Masalan, boy Zumrat qizining gapini qilgan meni o'ylab ketdim. Hamma uyda ashtaq ras Xitoylarni majbur uyga yotqizib, majbur mening bir akamni lagerga kirib ketganda uyiga deyishdim, nimiz qilaman. Üzərimdən işlədim yığır. Akam lager kirib chiqqichi bir Xitoyni uyga o'rlashtirib qo'yib, Xitoy chiqqichi adam Xitoyga ikkisi chiqishi qo'yib, yengam ashnoq bilan ketdi. Ashnoq vayron qilyapti uylarni. Hamma odamni nima degil bo'lmaydi, hatto oilalarni vayron qilish uchun. Hatto qizlarni yetishga majburlayotgan, ba'zilari o'lib o'lib qolgan shuning bastidan.
So U.S. government, America helped me to come to Turkey, and from Turkey I came to U.S. I was very sick when I came. I was able to get treatment. Luckily here in the U.S. I went through major surgeries, the trauma, and I got treated here. I am living now. However, I'm still like a dead person, but I need to speak up. I need to still share what I went through. For example, when my brother was taken to the camp, also the homestay policy was active, and Han Chinese came to my brother's house and stayed with my sister-in-law, and basically, in a summary, ruined their family as well, separated their family. So the Chinese government's clear intention is sterilize us. Intention is decrease the population of Uyghurs. So intention is eradicating Uyghurs. And I realized that, and I said to myself that I need to speak up.
Hammalarga rahmat. Anglap bekninglarga biz şunu bu lagerdan chiqqan qizlar biz bu yerda hayot yashayapmiz, xotirjam Amerikadagi shundoq erkin dunyoda yashayapmiz degan bilan hech qachon bir kunimiz, bir minutimizmi bizning tinch, xotirjam bir davlat ekanmiz deb hech qachon xo'sh bo'lib, bir xotirjam bo'lgan emas. Mana mush qizlar biz hatto chet eldagi boshqa lagerdan chiqqanlarni biz so'zlashib turibmiz. Telefonda har birimizning azobi yuragimizni qan tatılğandek aştaqıp ötüdü günümüz. Çünkü nemişke degende o otның içinde köyüp baktık. Aşlarının her bir qaqşavatqan, qanqır qaqşavatqını çünkü bizning yuragimizni azaplaydı. Şoňa her bir o qerindişimiz bolganda men musulman döwletlerge ayran bütün musulmanlar deydiğim. Sizlerning oqşaşlı aşlar qerindişinglar. Biz qandaq azaplansaňlar sizler şunda azaplanışinglar kerak, şular üçün harakat qilishinglar kerak dep oylayman. Bizning mana hozir butun yerlarga berib mushta so'zlab birsining oldiga chiqib mushta so'zlamikimiz bizning qo'rqinchli jirginishli bir hayotimizni bir o'lib bo'lgan odam biz necha qitim Xitoyning qo'l tayoq bilan o'lgan, o'lim og'izdan og'riqlardan qaytgan, lekin bu jirginishli hayotlarimizni so'zlash biz uchun bir faxrlik yoki biz uchun bir shundoq yaxshi emas. Nemishki, ashlar uchun bir inson bir bilib Xitoyga qarshi chiqsa, bir davlat bo'lsin, ash Xitoyning yog'onchilik zulmini to'xtatishga harakat qilsa, biz shular uchun bir iş qılalamızmı dep muşunda qıp ketip barmız. Şuning uchun sizlarning bir musulmon qarindoshlarlar ular u yoqdagi qanqir qaqshavatgan, bu yerga kelgan Uyg'urlar bo'lsin, mayli boshqa millat qarindoshlar bo'lsin, hammalardan o'tim qilay. Vatanimizda qarindoshlar uchun harakat qilinglar, o'tinib qolay sizlardan. Hammalarga rahmat.
So as a camp survivors, we were in that fire. We were inside those camps. And we have the pain until now. Every day we deal with this trauma. We cannot forget what we went through. What we demand from you guys is we are brothers and sisters. We have the same religion. We have the same faith. We shouldn't stop. Now you know what we went through. Basically, what we're trying to do is we have eyewitness what Chinese government is doing to Uyghurs, brothers, sisters. We expect others to do the same, help us, take an action, pray for us, and help Uyghur Muslims in China. Thank you.